So it's middle of December and my wife makes really good Christmas puddings, homemade. She spends days getting the ingredients all ready and she makes them for all the friends and family. And because it's coming up to December, of course things have to break, including our toaster. So I had to replace the toaster, and of course I like my gadgets, so I bought this. This is the Toastly toaster. It is a touchscreen toaster with a variety of different options. This is the first bit of toast I've ever put in here, the first time I've ever used it. So basically on this side you have the kind of bread that you, or the kind of toast that you would like. So Joanne doesn't like it particularly brown. I like mine pretty brown. You choose the type of bread, and basically you're ready to go. It does waffles, it does bagels, it does all sorts of things. It can defrost, it can do all the standard things the toaster does, but it looks cool. When you push that down, you know exactly where you are, the timings, the settings. You can cancel. If you hold the cancel button down for a few seconds, it will turn that side off, and away it goes. Is it any good? Well, we'll find out. I'll show you the toast at the end, but you got to admit, that's kind of cool. It reminds me a bit of Red Dwarf. If anyone wants to look at the sketch with the toaster in it, you'll know what I mean. But that's it. So over and out from Toastland. I will show you the toast later. And wow, you know, do you want some toast? See, Red Dwarf, love it. So the toaster is nearly completed its job. Let's hope it's going to be looking good for the review, because this is the first time I've ever done it, and it's also a bit boring staring at that. Well, yeah, I guess that's okay. It's certainly more on the lightly toasted side than it looks like on that, I guess, but well, we'll see. And let's just have a look to see if it's done a better job on this side. Clearly that doesn't really look like that. This, yeah, it's kind of there. That, I don't know, it's not that far off. First attempt, maybe I'll adjust it a little bit next time, but overall not unhappy with that. Might give it a few more seconds just to brown them up a bit more, but anyway, first attempt, first try. It's not toast, it's toast. It's going to remain in the kitchen, and let's see what else we can break so I can replace it with something else that looks so cool.